unboxing the Kaisi 2408 Toolsets. So here is a screwdriver set for repairing mobile phones such as the iPhone. So if you're thinking of getting one of these tools, here is the one that I've got. It's a 2408A. So it's got all these tools in here. So I'm just going to open up the box at the top here. And I'm just going to pull out the Toolset. And this is what you expect to get from this box here. So this is what you get. Now there is a handle, and there's a the metal screws. It doesn't look like it's very strong up here. Like if you're gonna use it, you feel like it's gonna break. It's very light. It's not very strong also. But there's all the tools in here. So this is the 2.0 Toolset. Here's a knife, cutting knife. It's quite light. So beneath this are some tweeter. The quality is not that good. You can see it's already been twisted, and you can see here the gap. There's a big gap, so it's not a really good quality tweeter. You can kind of like bend it to make it work, but it's not very good. So here you've got another piece to help you cut out or pry up some of the batteries or other components. Then there are some plastic tools in here. Then there's a picker. So there's not much in this box. Some tools. They look pretty fragile. It sticks quite well, so I put the screws here. So it sticks really well actually. As you can see, I put in the magnetic works quite well. So there you have it, some screwdriver set. Pickers. I'm just going to zoom it right in so you can see. And this is what you're going to get from this box. Thank you for watching this video.